I think I was hitting high. Too small. You're right. So I missed total.
I'm thinking I'm hitting here.
You're still hitting left, aren't you?
Yeah, it won't go. Well, my rear sight won't go to the right.
Oh.
It keeps on jumping.
Then you need to compensate by aiming a little more over here.
Dude, I'm aiming here and still hitting over.
Try aiming way over here.
Here. I'll aim at that target.
Yeah, tell you what. Aim at the edge of this target and see if you hit that one.
Hey, I'm right here.
Stepped in what?
Like I'm 2 miles away or something.
I'm surprised I'm actually hitting with those sights on mine. Because on the 50 yard, I got to aim down here to hit here.
For your Mossy?
Yeah. The sights on that thing are jacked. So I'm gonna.
Can you adjust them? I've never even adjusted my Mossy.
No, I don't know if you can or not.
No, just yardage.
I'm just gonna put down and put a scope on it.
Just yardage.
You're 6'5". Yeah. Oh, that's a sweetheart round. Okay. He said he's just a little over.
Tighten it up.
I've been tightening. That was in the white.
You know,
It's right below his kneecap.